Hi, my name's Rebecca Stanbrook and I'm the FPA Topic Lead for ICH E6R3. So that means that my role in writing the guideline was being a member of the expert working group set up back in September 2019 to write the revision 3 of ICH GCP. So why should you attend this workshop? Well, you'll get to hear firsthand from 4 of the European experts who had a hand in the writing of the ICH E6R3 guideline. So we'll aim to bring the guideline to life, not only through the Step 4 presentation, but by practical examples which allow you to gain experience on the implications of the application of GCP in this new revision. In the workshop, we'll bring to life the principles in Annex 1 and also touch on Annex 2, which gives additional considerations for different types of clinical trial design and use of different data sources. So that's a real great opportunity with this changing clinical trial landscape.